Are you tired of waiting in line? Seeing a new tax preparer every year? Paying too much? Try something new. An independent income tax professional. Remote tax preparation service with Majors one-on-one. Go to singingtaxlady.weebly.com. No lines, no waiting, personal service. We'll prepare your 1040 tax return no matter where you live. Go to singingtaxlady.weebly.com. We don't work for any franchise. We work for you. You'll never have to leave home. You'll save money on tax preparation fees. There's no upfront fees if you expect a refund. An e-file is always free. My name is Anita. I'm an independent tax professional. Hello, taxpayers. This is the real deal Singing Tax Lady speaking. No lines, no waiting. Personal service is my mission. My clients will tell you that I am the best kept secret for tax preparation service. Watch my videos at youtube.com/amajorstTL 502-742-0657.